What? Alright, show me how you go in your boxes. Go run into your box. Go in your box. Run into your box. Go into your box. There you are. Now go in your other box. Go in the other box. This one. No, this one. No. She went into it anyway, Torin. Oh, she's back. Go into this box. Go into this one. Over here, Lainey.
No.
Lainey. All right, here. Go in this box. Go in this box. Yes.
Duck, moose. Do I look like a goose to you?
Lainey, you crack me up.
Yeah, look at it. Then look at it. Duck, quack.
Duck, quack, huh?
You... What? You are crazy.
Who wrote that?
I did.
Yeah, I thought some nutty kid might have.